Hey guys, come with me as I transform my ordinary closet into a California closet. This is the mock-up. Overall, it cost about 1,500 bucks. This is how my closet looked before with the builder grade racks, and then I'm going to take them out. So this is how my closet looks once I remove the builder's grade racks from the walls. I got the walls professionally patched up, and they did a nice Dove's Cry color by Behr Paint. So the closet looks and smells fresh and new, and it's ready for California Closets to come and install the new closet. So this is the finished product. I got a mix of cubbies and hanging racks, so it's definitely going to help me organize, and I'm probably going to put my jeans and my shoes in the cubbies, and I'll put my purses on the top shelf, and I'll hang my clothes up on the racks. I really appreciate this California closet.